Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn a double top and double bottom chart pattern. So what is double top and double bottom chart pattern? So it is a trend reversal chart pattern. Okay, whenever a double top or double bottom appears, it is a trend reversal chart pattern. Okay, so a double top has a shape like M letter and it indicates a bearish reversal in a bullish trend, while a double bottom has a W shape and it is a signal for bullish price movement. Okay, so we will see. So as shown in figure, okay, price is moving down, taking support at this point, which is known as bottom 1, move up back, again came back, and it is taking support at bottom, same as bottom 2. So this is your support line. When price move again and break this swing high, okay, then it is you can take trade here. Okay, so this line is known as neckline. This 2 point is known as bottom point, or you can draw support line here also. Okay, so this is a pattern having a shape like W. Okay, now in double top, price is moving up. Okay, take resistance at top 1, move down, again move up, take resistance at top 2, move down. When this neckline broken, you will take trade here. Okay, clear? So this is double top and double bottom pattern. So W is your double top, sorry, W is a double bottom and M is your double top. Okay, so now how to trade this double top and double bottom pattern? So in a uptrend, okay, it is a taking reverse at top 1, move down, again go up, move down. Now when this breakout happen, you have to take trade. Okay, so now you have to sell here. What is the stop loss? 50% of your this high minus low. Okay, for 50%, that is your stop loss. And what is the target? That is equal to high minus low. Okay, high, that is the top one, minus neckline point, that is your target, and 50% you can take as a stop loss. Okay, same way for double bottom. Okay, price moving down, okay, taking support at bottom 1, move up, move down, taking support at bottom 2. Whenever this breakout happen, okay, you can buy. What is the stop loss? This is your 50% of your low minus neckline, sorry, neckline minus low, that is your stop loss, and neckline point minus high, oh sorry, neckline point, this is a neckline point minus this low is your target. Difference between your neckline point minus low, any low, bottom or bottom 1 or bottom 2. Okay, now this is your entry point and target. Now if you are defensive trader, you can take trade here. Okay, whenever breakout happen, you can take trade. But if you are aggressive player, okay, you know very well this is your support, so it might be possible price will reverse here, so you can take entry here also. Okay, so you can capture this bullish move, but for that the stop loss is below this swing point. Okay, you have to make, whether it is a 1 percentile, 2 percentile, according to your risk management you have to keep, but risky player can take entry here. Okay, so we will see on some chart where double bottom and double top occurs. So in Sun Pharma, can you identify pattern? Okay, here see, in Sun Pharma we have a down here taking support at this point. Okay, so we have draw this horizontal line, move up, again came down. Okay, so this is your neckline point around 556. Okay, so when this line broken, you can take entry. Okay, so what is a stop loss? That is a here 50%. Okay, what is the target? 556 minus 500, so around 56 point from this breakdown. So 556 plus 50, around 610 or 600. Okay, so that is your target. So if you have aggressive player, you can take entry here, okay, because it is a previous support and you can capture this daily. That is your double bottom. Same way in Tech Mahindra, we have a double top. Okay, so here see, that is a approx double top. Okay, price move up down, so this is your neck point. Again move up down, breakout. Okay, so here you can sell. Stop loss is 50%. Okay, now what is a target? Around 850 minus 760, so around 120, around 80 point. So 760 minus 80, around 680. Okay, so it already went up to 650. Okay, so you can trade easily with the help of double top and double bottom pattern. So what is a trade setup for double top and double bottom pattern? You have to take entry, okay, after the confirmation of pattern breakout. Okay, you can go long or short according to your pattern. What is the target? Okay, that we have already discussed. A neckline point minus low or high, that is your target. Once once it achieve, you can go for 120% and 162% also. Okay, and what is the stop loss? We have already discussed 50% of your difference. Okay, so identify pattern, double top and double bottom, and trade according to your risk management. Thank you.